You use them every single day, but have you ever wondered how they're actually made? From gas cylinders to flip-flops, chandeliers to chopsticks, we're diving into the fascinating world behind the scenes. This isn't just a tour, it's a fast-paced, jaw-dropping look inside the factories that bring your favorite everyday items to life. Let's get started. Ever seen a chandelier so beautiful it looks like it's dripping luxury? Meet Silcom Light, the Italian masters of Venetian glass lighting. These aren't just lights, they're sculpted elegance. Using centuries-old Murano techniques, every piece is hand-blown by skilled artisans. The result? Stunning designs that hang in homes, hotels, and even palaces. It's glasswork passed down for generations, still shining bright today. Now let's talk about that red LPG cylinder sitting in your kitchen. It's made in high-tech factories in China, where thick steel sheets are rolled, welded, and shaped under extreme heat. After a high-pressure water test that simulates 30 bars, like stacking 20 cars on top, it's cleaned, painted red, and fitted with a valve as carefully as defusing a bomb. All for your safety at dinner time. Next up, toilet paper. That soft roll we all rushed for in 2020 starts with huge bundles of recycled paper. It's shredded into pulp, cleaned, and flattened into thin sheets. Then it's pressed, dried, and rolled into giant reels before being sliced into the rolls you know and love. Fun fact, one person uses around 100 rolls a year. Now on to flip-flops, the lightest footwear around. They start with colorful EVA foam sheets, which are cut into soles. No straps poking through here, they're glued on with super strong adhesive. Then pressed and tested for grip. Some factories churn out over 50,000 pairs a day. That's one for every fan in a football stadium. You've seen silicone everywhere, from kitchen tools to baby bottles. It begins with silica from sand, heated with carbon to create silicon, then combined with other elements to make flexible, heat-resistant silicone rubber. It's poured into molds and baked. Food-grade silicone is totally safe, non-toxic, BPA-free, and can handle everything from -100 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Let's get sharp with scissors. It starts with stainless steel sheets stamped into blades, then heat-treated and precision ground to razor-sharp edges. Some as fine as 0.1 millimeters, thinner than a hair. The blades are then assembled with handles and screws, adjusted for the perfect tension, and tested for clean cuts. Time to grab some chopsticks, the bamboo kind. These begin as fast-growing bamboo stalks, cut and shaped into long, smooth sticks. They're polished, sometimes steamed for hygiene, and finally packaged. Sustainable and efficient, ready for sushi night. What about the humble cardboard box? At Georgia Pacific, it starts with thick craft paper. A wavy layer is glued between two flat sheets, creating a strong, layered structure, like paper lasagna. These sheets are cut, folded, printed, and ready for delivery. Over 90% are made from recycled materials, and enough are produced each year to save 400 million trees. Finally, we lie down with the making of a latex mattress. It all starts with sap from rubber trees, eco-friendly and sustainably tapped. The latex is whipped, poured into molds, and baked using processes that decide its firmness. After washing and drying, it's cut into layers. Some are dense, some are breathable, all built to last 15 to 20 years. That's double the life of regular foam.